Academy is for us to get these kids out and about learning our job of everyday police officer as we show them what we do each day, whether it be life-saving, going on police calls, getting these kids interacting and showing them that it's not just about what they see the bad side of police officers, but we're also here to engage with them, interact with them in the positive side. What I look forward to is when I get to watch them do what we call right face, left face challenge. These kids always look forward to it. They like competing each other.
I decided to go to police camp because I've heard it's really fun and you get to learn a lot of things about police officers. We learned about canines, what they are supposed to do for their job. When I grow up, I want to be a canine police officer, so it was really fun to learn about them.
The biggest thing that we are here for is to try to reach the youth, to make sure that we make an impact on them, that they hear this message loud and clear, and that's coming out and talking to these kids and talking to them about the unfortunate incidents and events that we are part of sometimes whenever there is drinking and driving involved. The activities that they're going to see today, our rescue division is here, our training suppression division is here, and we're going to talk to the kids about what we would do when we show up on a scene.
The Junior Police Academy, I think it's super cool because I get to do drill and there's a thing after it where we all work together and we all become closer together. We're learning the fundamentals of becoming a police officer.
Y que me gusta más de este programa es que me gusta cuando para la sangre y para que si era de real lo podemos hacer. Y también me gustaba cómo ser una policía.
As a whole, it's going to impact the community because if we reach the children always go home and talk to the parents, talk to their friends about this. Hopefully we make a big enough impact where they keep spreading the message.
We're out there reaching out, showing them we're always here for them, not just as an officer, but as another voice that they can talk to on the campus. Most of these officers are going to be on the campuses for times to come, and these kids grow and see these officers for years to come.